If you're a small business owner like myself, come forward. This video is for you. So today we'll be talking about how you can show, or rather showcase, your business to a wider audience as a small business owner. See, one of the most frustrating parts of starting up a business or becoming an entrepreneur is the ability to showcase your product to a wider audience, or the ability to get customers for your business. That is one of the most frustrating parts. You know, that part that you just started up a business and customers are not coming in. You're just managing to sell maybe to your friends and family. But my darling, you see, friends and family are not really your ideal customers. You need to show your business to a wider audience that will be able to, patronize or become a constant returning customer for your business. And that is what we'll be talking about in today's video. So if getting customer for your business is difficult for you, or is something you want to know about, just sit right back. And if you're just seeing this face for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button to support your girl. Okay, let's go together, let's support each other and grow together. Okay, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this one, you'll be the first to get notified. So without wasting much of your time, let's talk about the discussion of today. So you're a business owner, you want to gain visibility, you want to show your business to a wider audience, to large customers that will keep on patronizing you and buying what you are selling. So that is what we are treating here today. Okay, and in today's video I'll be showing you simple step. All right, simple step on how you can be able to show your business to a wider audience using Facebook advertisement. Now, there are so many ways to set up a Facebook advert. There are the difficult ways, there are the easy steps, and a whole lot of things you need to put in place. But because I got you, and because I'm the girly girl, okay, I'll be showing you the easy way. And this is one of the ways I used to generate tons of customers to my DM. Okay, show my business to a lot of people that end up sending me a message to know more about my business and finally buy what I'm selling, or maybe start up get started with my training if it is a training, or maybe a course I want to sell, because I'm also into both digital and physical online businesses. All right, so let's dive into it. So the first thing you need to do is to set up your Facebook page, to set up your Meta Business Suite, and get it connected to your Meta Ad app. So let me just assume that you already have your Facebook page, your WhatsApp number connected to your page, you've set up your business suite. So the next thing is to just set up a very simple step-by-step Facebook advertisement to show your business to a wider audience. All right, and I will do a video, maybe a detailed video, on how you can get all of these things set up for those of us that don't know how to set these things up. So I will do a detailed video on how to get that set up. But for today, let me just assume that you already know, you already set those things up. So first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, and download Meta Ad app, or go to your App Store if you're using an iPhone to download Meta Ad app. Whichever one, they are all the same. Okay, so if that is being done, then the next thing I will do is to open my Meta Ad app, and once you get all of those things I mentioned earlier connected, it will appear on your Meta Ad app. Once you open it, your account will be connected. Okay, once you open it, so the first thing I will need to do is open my Meta Ad app. Then I will click on this plus sign. Once I click on the plus sign, so because I want to show my business to a wider audience, I want them to send me a message. So what I will do is to click on the engagement. This there are other options, yes, but we'll be talking about that in order to make this video not to be too long. So we'll click on engagement. Please do not click on the first and the second one. Click on manual engagement, because you want to get things set up yourself. You do not want Facebook to do any of that for you. Okay, so once you do that, allow it to load. I think my network is a little bit bad today, so you bear with me, guys. So once that loads, first thing you do is to click on the campaign name and give your campaign a name. That is always important. So you can always give a campaign a name you can always remember. So let's say I want to promote a hair, I want to promote my hair product or my hair accessory, something like that. So I'll just say hair. Okay, then I go back and click on the budget, and I like maybe using 4,000, most times 5,000 naira. And remember, this is a game of number. The more money you are ready to spend, to pay Facebook to get customers to your DM, the more customers you get. So I will just go with 5,000 naira. Then I go back and click on the ad set. When I click on the ad set, I give my ad set a name like we did for the first one. So I'll give it a name. I also give it hair. Then I come back again, and I don't really like touching this schedule. Let my money just read. I'm okay with that. So I come to conversion. When I open the conversion, what I will do next is make sure it's a messaging app. Then choose the page you want to use. After you do that, make sure it is only on WhatsApp. You want the message to come to only on WhatsApp, and that is always perfect. So make sure your WhatsApp number is correct and connected. Then the next thing I will do is to go back, then come to this place that says audience. Okay, when I come to this place that says audience, if I want my advert to run in the whole of Nigeria, which is not always advisable if you ask me, okay, I don't always do that. But if you want it to run in the whole of Nigeria, you can leave it. But to be on the safer side, I always should. So I'll just go ahead and click on this edit button. Click on edit again, then check this button and delete Nigeria. Then I'll go ahead and put the locations I want, like Lagos, Lagos. Then just go ahead and put so many states you are okay with. I don't want this video to be too long. So after putting Lagos, I will come to this place that says detailed targeting. Then I'll add the kind of people I want my advert to be shown to. Okay, so since I am selling hair product, so I'll just start with natural products. I'll start with moisturizer. I'll start with okay, let's just come here and type hair. Okay, once I do that, you see this place that says hair products. Just click on the plus sign, add as much as you want, that people will be interested in. After that, you click on the good sign. Then once you do that, you come to this place that says narrow audience. Make sure you always put something there. You can as well put something that has to do with hair. Then after you do that, you type what we call engaged shopper, engaged shoppers. So you click on the second one. After that, you click on the good sign. Once you click on the good sign, scroll down, choose your age bracket. So you want people from the age of 23 to see this product, and you want people people at the age of, let's say, 45, just from 23 to 45. Okay, then you want it to be only female, since it is a female product. You can also leave it in all gender. Okay, that is also good. So after that, you come back to this place, set up the name. Okay, set up the name again, hair. So after doing that, come to this place that says select image or video. Always have it in mind that videos do better. Okay, but if you don't have video, you can just go ahead and use an image, but make sure you get your video. That is the truth. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, and because I'm not into hair, so I'll just be using any random picture. Okay, but do the needful. All right, follow all the steps, you get it right. So I'll just leave it at image. Once I leave it at image, I come to this place that says select image. Okay, I'll just choose any random image. Let me just choose this, my picture. Then I'll click on done, allow it to load. Okay, so let's just assume that I'm selling this beautiful hair. Okay, now come to this place that says enter your headline. Okay, so I can just come up with, you can just come up with anything, but you can always use ChatGPT, or you can use Meta AI. So let's say I want to use Meta AI. I'll just go to Meta AI on my WhatsApp or ChatGPT and say please, I want to set up a Facebook advertisement for one of my beautiful hair. Please write a headline, description, tags, and the rest of it, and they will generate an amazing cashy write-up for all of that. So for the purpose of this video, I will just say buy this beautiful hair for 20% discount on 20% discount. So let's say buy this beautiful hair on 20% discount today, you know. So I'll come to this primary test, you know, just explain everything about the hair, you know, the benefits, every other thing, and put it on this primary test. Okay, once you do that, you come to this place that says call to action. Okay, call to action, scroll down, then you will see send a WhatsApp message. Leave it at send a WhatsApp message. So after you do that, you go back and you click on review. Okay, once you click on review, it will come out like this. You see publish. Okay, but because I don't want to publish this, I don't say here, there won't be need for that. Okay, so for you that want to set it up in order to get a wider audience, what you do is you click on publish, and once you click on publish, that is it. Okay, once you click on publish, that is it. So this is the easiest way. Yeah, and as you can see, it is easy, the easiest way to get your business to to a wider audience, in the front of people that are ready to buy what you are selling. This is also a way to be ahead of your competitors. I mean, people that are in the same line of business with you. Okay, so practice this, do it step by step. No matter what you are selling, you can use it to promote it. Even if you are into the online space, you are into affiliate marketing and the rest of it, all you just need is to get your description, get your headline, get your video ready, then follow this step by step, and you see an amazing result. Okay, I know you enjoyed this video. If you do, please support your girl. Click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together. We also support you in return. I mean, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop amazing video like this one, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, see you guys on the next one. Bye.